Hello everyone, this is Srifat. I'm the community manager of FundedNext. Today, we're going to interview one of our successful traders from FundedNext Traders Interview Program. So, without any further ado, let's just jump in the interview. So, hello there, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also doing great. It's just really great to interview a trader like you. So, if you could please introduce yourself to our audience.
All right. My name is Ray Perawat Surojnametakul. I'm from Thailand.
You're from Thailand. All right. So, where you are from Thailand and you were born in Thailand?
Yes, I was born in Thailand. I spent my college year in USA in finance, and then I came back. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Before getting started, we have prepared a special surprise for you from the FundedNext family. And we're going to share the surprise with you at the end of this video. How does that sound?
All right. That sounds good. That sounds good.
All right. So let's just get back to the interview. So what do you do for a living? Are you a part-time trader or a full-time trader?
I'm a full-time trader.
You're a full-time trader. All right.
Yes.
So if I simply may ask, when did you start your trading journey?
I start from stocks market like 4 years ago, and then I moved to stocks, crypto, and now it's everything, forex, everything.
Do you also trade indices?
I don't trade indices and oil. It's too much volatility for me. So stocks, I only do like spot things, not like future. I don't do future in stocks.
So as you said before, you started your trading journey 4 years ago. So what was the initial account balance then?
I would say around like 15K, like 15K. Not over 20K, something like that.
All right. So as you started your trading journey 4 years ago, when did you realize that you have got that breakthrough, that technical edge that is required to become a successful trader?
First thing is technique is important, but not as important as emotional and mindset. That's all the most important thing. I mean, you could lose a lot of money in the market. I lost all of it at first.
Yeah.
And then I came back. I'm not quitting. I just like take a break and fight back until now. So it takes me like at least 2 years to get off that money back.
Oh, all right. So just out of curiosity, as your background is finance, did that help you to become a successful trader?
No, not at all. It's nothing like so close. Nothing is close to trade at all. We just learn how finance work, not how trades work. You know, it's totally different.
As you started your trading journey and you have blown kind of a lot of accounts in that journey, right? So what was the biggest obstacle that you had to face in your trading journey?
You mean the hard thing?
Yeah, what's the hard thing?
I would say like deal with my emotional. It involved in many times, but that is the worst thing can happen to your account and your balance. You know, when your emotional involved, you lost all of the trades.
So I would rather say that your psychology back then was kind of your obstacle.
I would say psychology. Yes.
Yeah. So how do you handle your losses? If I simply may ask.
You mean now or in the past? It's
now,
totally different.
Right now, because you're a successful trader right now, so that matters the most.
Now there's nothing. It's just like 9 to 5 work. You woke up, you trade, you don't get emotional involved. When you lost, you take the loss. You move on, you find the new plans, you trade. That's it. That's so simple.
All right. So I also read some books related to psychology, and what I basically learned from those books were cutting your lot sizes when you are in a losing streak and taking a break from the market. Have you tried these things?
Yes, of course. When I lost the trades, I stopped. Like maybe the whole day, I just stopped and waiting for tomorrow. Hope it's going to be a better market for me to trade, because like it's due to my trading style also. So I'm not trying to jump in and get the trades, get the profit. I can wait for the whole day, the whole week. I just wait for like 1 or 2 good trades. I make tons of money from that.
Yeah, we can see that. So, if you can share your trading strategy briefly with us, will it be okay?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
So I'm a scalper. I don't do long trades.
Scalper.
Sometimes my trades, I only trade like an hour a day. So waiting for some signal like divergent signal, RSI divergence, and then I jump in a trades. I'm not good at selling, so my main trade is buying. I wait for the price get back to support level, wait for RSI and everything to confirm. I jump in. I take the trades, maybe like 10 pips, 20 pips, but I use a lot of lot size because my stop loss is so close. Sometimes it's like 5 pips.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take a trade like a little 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. So yeah, at least 1-to-2 reward ratio.
All right. So you are a scalper, and which currency specifically you trade?
My favorite is the lead spread because I use a lot of lot size. So USD pair, anything GBP, EUR USD, and
Euro USD, GBP,
yeah,
USD.
but mostly I trade like gold sometimes.
Gold. All right. So it's been a while since you've joined FundedNext. So what basically motivated you to join FundedNext in the first place?
I mean, at first I have a lot of account with a lot of prop firms, and I saw like 15% from evaluation first 1 and 2.
Yeah.
I was like, wow, this is interesting. And then I go check at the Trustpilot, and your company is really good score. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try at this one. So I jumped in, I paid, and then everything is what you see now.
Yeah, we know the rest. You're one of our most successful traders. And if you can share your experience with FundedNext in brief from day 1 to till this date.
I start to trade like a month ago in evaluation. When I subscription, the first account is so fast to send it to me. So that's the first thing I hope for, because when I paid, I want it at the best market at that time, because when I pay, I want to jump in the trade currently.
Exactly.
So when I paid, you guys send me like within a minute. And then I jump in the trades, and I pass in the first trade. So basically it's like 2 hours trades, and that's it. And I wait for another 10 days at the minimum trading days, and then everything is repeat again. I wait, and then my first trade is the passing for fresh 2, and then I wait until I get the funded account. That's it.
All right, that's just really amazing to hear. Now, if I may ask, what's the thing you like most about FundedNext? The most?
I would say the support. They are so fast, man. I mean, you guys answer me within like a minute or 5 minutes, and the personal account manager is so helpful. I mean, you can ask everything personally, and you don't have to wait for the chat. That is the best thing is ever happened in prop firm.
Have you tried joining our Discord channel?
Yes, I joined everything.
All right. So do you have any kind of specific favorite pair that you like to trade instead of Euro USD and GBP USD?
I trade Euro Japan and Euro Australia,
Euro JPY,
and Euro AUD.
All right. So as you have become one of our most successful traders, do you like to share any kind of tips and tricks with the fellow traders so that they can just follow your path?
Oh, of course. My main successful is the patient. You have to be patient. You have to wait. When there is no good trades, the best trade is don't trade at all. You don't lose your money. At least you don't lose your money. And then when you find a good trade, you jump in, you plan very nicely, and you're gonna be patient with that. I don't know what your guys trading style, but at least patience will help. Sometimes I trade like for a daily candle. I wait for like 5 weeks, so many long times, a month sometimes. Last time I trade dollar franc CHF, USD CHF. I waiting for like 15 days until it hit my TP. So basically it's like 600 or 700 pips. And just wait patiently. When you look at your trades too much, you're gonna be like, should I close this right now? It's a lot of profits, but what you guys should do is follow your plans. That's it. It's so simple.
As you have mentioned plans, how many years or how many months it required to make your ultimate trading plan?
I think the most important things is you have to find your trading style first, because I tried every style, but my best is scalping. So that's why I'm scalper. But it depends, but mainly support and resistance you can use for every plan. And that is very good entry trades. And you can find a easy stop loss and take profit points. And the second thing, you can bias at your trades. If it comes to like support zone, you don't sell. If it goes to resistance, you don't buy. Don't think it's gonna break through, or at resistance you sell, at support you buy. That's it. And if it's breakout, that is your stop loss is so close. Like, I don't know, 10 pips at least, like mostly 20 pips. I mean, that is not a lot of losses.
Yeah. As you trade with the help of divergence, RSI indicators sometimes, so do you have any specific instructions or specific tips for the people who trade using indicators?
Yes. For me, I use RSI and MACD and EMA 200. That's it. 200 is like the main thing, is a trend continuation. So if it's above 200, when it touch 200, you buy. When it's below 200, it touch 200, you sell. That's it. And the second thing is you look at RSI and support resistance. So because with RSI divergence, it's going to be at resistance or support, like always.
Do you do any kind of journaling where you journal all your trades or record all your trades?
Can you repeat that again?
Do you maintain a process of journaling where you record all your trades?
I never record my trades, so everything is gonna be like MP4. I never record anything.
MP4.
I'm not good at that.
So if we simply jump into the bigger picture, what's your ultimate trading goal?
Usually I just want to be like full-time trader, but my main goal is to have profit from Forex, put it in something to give me passive income. So usually when I withdraw today, I put the money in stocks and I wait for dividend yield. So I'm gonna repeat that again and again and again.
All right. The way I see this, Forex trading is the only profession that gives you the freedom of money, the freedom of time, and the freedom of travel. I don't think there is any kind of other profession that gives you this sort of advantage. So at the end of the day, I think Forex should be all about freedom.
That's true. That's right.
All right. So it was really nice to having this session with you. And as I've said before this interview, that we're going to share a surprise with you from the FundedNext family. So here's the surprise. We're going to disburse your profit right at this moment.
Like all? Oh my God.
Yeah. The profit you made, the 80% profit share at this moment, right at this moment. So can you check your phone?
I'm gonna check my Binance right now.
You can see that. Yeah.
I got it.
Have you received your profit?
I got it.
How
I
do you
feel so
feel right
good.
now?
I'm ready to trade for Monday now. I'm ready.
It's just amazing to see you like this. And if I personally appreciate you, because I have to personally appreciate you at the end of the day, because you're one of our best traders in this program. And we hope to give you more payouts like this in the upcoming days. And before we end this video, is there anything else you wanted to add for the FundedNext family, or for the fellow traders, or for the entire world? Anything?
For me personally, I don't have anything to add it on. It's all good. I mean, you guys are one of the best. I can say the best prop firm currently. So, I mean, if someone want to add anything, please go on, but I don't have anything. That it's all good for me now.
All right. All right. It was really nice to have this interview session with you, Ray. And we plan to have more sessions with you. And we wish you the best of luck and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a bit.
Thank you.
Yeah.